Most people think you need to spend a lot of money to get a great-looking TV. So they walk into a store, see two screens side by side, and immediately assume, this one looks better because it's more expensive. And sometimes that's true, but not always. Because what most people don't realize is this. A huge part of what makes a TV look premium isn't the panel. It's the settings. Hidden settings. Ignored settings. Settings that most people never touch. And because of that, they end up watching a TV that's performing far below what it's actually capable of. The colors look off. The contrast feels weak. The image doesn't feel cinematic. And they assume that's just how this TV is. But it's not. In many cases, that same TV can look dramatically better. Not slightly better. Not marginally improved. But noticeably closer to high-end displays. And the difference comes down to something simple. Knowing what to change and what to turn off. This isn't about fake pro settings or random tweaks. This is about understanding why TVs look bad out of the box, which settings actually matter, and how to unlock the best possible picture from your display. No complicated calibration tools. No expensive upgrades. Just real adjustments that change how your TV looks every single day. And later in this video, we'll talk about one setting that's enabled by default on most TVs that actually makes your picture worse. Even though it sounds like it should improve it. You turn on your TV. Something feels off. Colors look unnatural. Brightness feels inconsistent. Motion looks strange. But you can't pinpoint the issue. And that's because the problem isn't obvious. TVs are designed to look impressive in stores. They use maximum brightness, oversaturated colors, sharpness boosting. These settings don't translate well at home. And this is where the downgrade begins. Most TVs default to vivid or standard. These modes distort the image. Switching to movie or cinema changes everything. But that's just the first step. Oversaturated colors look impressive, but unrealistic. Reducing color intensity creates balance and makes content feel more lifelike. Blacks look gray. Adjusting contrast restores depth and improves emotion instantly. But one setting can completely ruin this. Here's the setting most people leave on, thinking it improves picture quality. But it doesn't. It makes everything worse. Motion smoothing. It creates unnatural movement and removes cinematic feel. Turning it off is a game changer. Too bright equals washed out. Too dim equals lifeless. Balanced brightness creates depth and makes the image feel premium. Higher sharpness seems better. It adds artificial edges. Reducing it improves clarity. Dynamic features sound helpful. They often create inconsistency. Disabling or adjusting them stabilizes image quality. Budget TVs feel limited, but proper calibration unlocks hidden performance and narrows the gap with premium displays. Settings feel complicated, so people leave defaults unchanged and never experience their TV's full potential. If you ignore these settings, your TV will always feel average, even if it's capable of more. Even after all these adjustments, there's still one advanced setting that most people miss. If this improved how you see your TV, hit like and subscribe, because in the next video, we'll break down pro-level calibration settings that take this even further. That final setting, white balance tuning, because true image quality isn't about brightness or color alone. It's about balance. And once you understand that, you stop chasing expensive upgrades and start unlocking what you already have.